Right, here we have a mirror grinding machine. This is me tile tool I made out of glass tiles. Just cut the glass tiles on a circular diamond cutter that they use for cutting bathroom tiles. As you can see, I epoxy them on with epoxy resin. This is the mirror, set up on a turntable. I'm using a gearbox off the rear of a scooter. It gives about a 30:1 ratio. Through a homemade pulley onto the motor. Quite a simple setup. The mounting I've got up here, I'm using just a spin method, which I used back in 1994 when I was making mirrors. I just came up with the idea that it's probably a little bit easier to do it this way. I think the Waco machine is based on this kind of setup, but the Waco machine, this arm moves back and forward where mine isn't going to. I've got a couple of holes here where I can adjust the stroke. That's all I need really. It's just set up on a hinge, so it just pivots up and down. The tool sits on the mirror like so. It's going to be difficult. Fuck me days. Oh, yeah. It's hard doing it one-handed. Alright, so the tool's on the mirror. I've got a hole in the middle of the thing. When I first made this, I didn't consider the hole, so I kind of just drilled it and epoxied the nut in there. It's just a little bit off center, but not to worry. This folds down onto the drops in, and basically that's it. We'll just plug it in and give it a whirl. So all you got to do is just sprinkle a bit of grit on there, a bit of water. That's it. That's the job. I can leave that drying for a couple of hours, just keep an eye on it, just keep adding more grit, more water. I got a bit of cellophane under the mirror, just to catch all the water so it doesn't drip onto the unwaterproof turntable. I've got a bit of carpet insulation under the mirror as well, just to give it a bit of cushioning. But yeah, that's basically it at the moment. I'll sit here and watch it go for a couple of hours before I get off home.